Alright, I'm going to show you how to cut out this material. I'm using a 6-inch. I've got a dressed-in plate template here, and I'm going to make these 6 inches long. Okay. And I've got 5 fabrics there. Okay. Make sure. Yeah, I've got it going. That didn't cut very good. My blade on my cutter is getting kind of dull. I've got to change it. All right. I am going to put you over here. Let me get my light put back. And I'm gonna turn these right sides together, and I'm gonna stitch the top part of this. I hope everybody's doing all right this morning. Put you over here. Let me get my scissors. Cut these apart. All right. Now I'm going to turn this and mash it down. And each one of these will be like that. And I'll have to go press these when I get through this. All right, now I'll be back when I get these sprayed. All right, I've got these sewed together. I've just got 5 different designs here. This is called the dressed-in plate template's what I cut it by. Now I have cut 9-inch square cotton, and I'm going to attach this. Hope everybody's doing all right this morning. Get that out of the way. Alrighty. I've already made one like this, but the blocks are bigger on this one, and these are longer too. But I thought this was so pretty. Yeah. I have 8. I've already finished 11 quilts. I gave 3 to each, one to each one of my children Christmas before last. And I've got about 7 or 8 tops already made, ready to quilt. I'll bring you back when I get all these together, and then I'll be back right back. All right, I got them pressed together, pressed out. And I'm going to sew these together. Them sewed together. Now I'm gonna finger press them down. Now that's the way I got it pieced together. All right. All right, I've got this one put together, and I'm gonna stitch this onto the 9" square. Now, when I get all these done, I'll bring you back when I sew the squares together. Alrighty. Alright, I have cut this out, and I've got white and cut a hole in it. And I'm going to turn this inside out, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Let me get the other one done. I've already made some of my squares, and I got this fabric print in yesterday. So cut that in. All right, and now I'm gonna fold this and cut it in. Cut it 2 ways, so this will make 4. Let me make sure I've got that done right. All right, I've got to go and turn this. I've got to trim this off here. And then I've got to go and press this out. And I will bring you back. All right, this I've got through doing these, and I made these right here and cut them in 4. And I'm going to put this right here. And I'm going to pin that on there. And then I'm going to sew around them. I'll bring you back when I get them all done. All right, I wanted to make sure that was on. All right. I'll bring you back when I get through. All right, I've got them all done. I've got them laid out on the bed. but this is what it's going to look like when I get it all sewed together. It's going to be big. I couldn't get them all spread out on the thing. It's going to be 8 blocks wide and 9 blocks long. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching.